Hi everyone, my name is Amanpreet Singh from section X of AI and ML. So this is the video presentation of the task D1. So the task is to analyze YouTube video data from different news publishers. So let us briefly know how I have fetched the videos data into this D1. So I had to get an API key. So I followed these instructions and then I just pasted the API key into this file, and then I just executed all the cells given in the collect.ipynb, and this was all set. So then now let's move on to our D1 code. So this was the settings that I have pasted as it is from the collect.ipynb notebook. So I have pasted these settings. So there are some important things that we need to see. So first of all, it is the keywords. So these keywords are used to fetch the videos from YouTube. So these keywords defines which type of videos or which topic you want to choose for the videos. So here I have the topic Russia-Ukraine war. So I have kept the keywords accordingly. And here is the time. So I just analyzed in which time frame I will get maximum videos out of this topic. So I've just kept it here in the start date 2022 and in the end date 2025. So here are the channels that I have the channels of the news publishers. So here is BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, and TRT World. So these were the channels which gave me the maximum videos. So I prefer to go with these channels. So here are the libraries that will make use of to perform all the things. So yeah, so here is the cleaning and preparation of data. So uh, this sample code was already given to us, so there was no need for me for to explicitly clean data. So I did not do anything here. So I did not do any additional data cleaning. So now let's move on to the next part, which is explanation of the questions. So here is our question. So in this question, we have to calculate the total number of views, likes, and comments according to the different news publishers. Which news publisher has the most likes, views, and channels? So we have to describe this using visualization, and we have to make 3 subplots accordingly. So first of all, I just fetched the total views, likes, and comments using the group by command, and I just used channel title here, and here I have kept view count, like count, and comment count. So this is the categorical data, this is the quantitative data, so for which I did dot sum, and then I applied reset index, and this is what we get after doing this. So we get something like this. According to the channel, I got views, likes, and comments. So let's now move on to the next. So here is the channel views variable in which I have sorted the channels according to the number of views, and I have kept ascending is equal to false. So they will be in descending order, means the channel with the highest views will be at the top. So if I just print this, print channel views, we get something like this. So you can see here we got the things like so we got everything organized in the descending order, views organized in the descending order. So same for these two, we got the likes and comments. So here comes the visualization. So I've set a white grid for my canvas. I set a white grid for the plots that will be created. So they will have a white grid in the background. So I have set the canvas using this function using matplotlibs.figure. So I have set the figure size to 24,8. So this was the perfect size for me to fit in 3 subplots. So here I have just defined at position 1 I will get the total views of my subplot of 1,3. At position 1 I will get the total views. Here you can see total views at first position. So what I did was data as channel views, x-axis channel title, y-axis view count. I have kept the hue as channel title, and I have kept palette. So I have kept a palette of blue color, and R is for the reverse order, like the dark blue for the largest value, and it will continue. So I have kept no legend for my subplots, for which I've done this. So I have kept the rotation of 90 degree. Here you can see this text should be horizontal, but it is vertical because of the X ticks. So I've kept the X label as channel, news channel, Y label as this, and the title, total views by channel, font size, and not wait. So I've kept the same things for likes and comments. Just this parameter will change, and the variable, the data frame on which this data is, this will change. And in the last, I have kept plt.title layout so that the subplots do not overlap each other, and plt.show. So now let's move on to the observations. So the first observation that we get is CNN and BBC News, they have the highest total views, as we can see in the bar plot also. So they are dominating the others. So for likes also we can see CNN and BBC News, they both are dominating. And for comments also. So one result that can be concluded from this is that the channel having higher viewer engagement also has more number of likes and more number of comments. So these the channels like CNN and BBC News, so they encourage more discussion and viewer interaction as compared to TRT World and Al Jazeera. So now let's move on to our next question. So the next question was to get the top 5 videos with the highest ratio of like to views, and we have to get the URL of these videos as well. So first of all, we'll get the video URL. So I have created a new column named video URL, and here I have concatenated two strings to get the video URL. This string is mainly common for all the YouTube videos, and this string, so this is the unique video ID for each video. So this is concatenated with this to get the final video URL. After that, I have calculated the ratio of like to views. I have created a new column, and I have stored the ratio of like to views in this new column. So after that, the next task was to sort the videos by like to view ratio in descending order, and I had to select the top 5 videos. So first of all, I have selected the particular columns from my data frame which I had to work on. So I have selected video title, video URL, like count, view count, and like view ratio. So the next task was to set the like to view ratio in descending order. So I have just used sort values to set it into descending order. I have set like view ratio ascending is equal to false, and I have select the top 5 videos. I have used head 5. After that, I have just displayed it, and here is what we get. So we can see the highest like view ratio is this, and following these is the highest like to view ratio. After that, let's see what observations do we get. So we can see the videos which are related to which are related directly to the war issues. So they shows stronger audience response, as these topics are really sensitive. So they also get high engagement. Also, using this ratio, we can identify videos that are highly valued by viewers. So we can see which video is so with which video so is not just viewed, audience also have engaged with that video. So from this metric we can also analyze that thing. So now let's move on to the last part. So in the last part, we have to derive a relationship between the duration of video and receiving below average number of comments. So first of all, I calculated the average number of comments using the dot mean method. After that, I collected the median duration. So to set the duration of the videos, I used the median. I calculated the median duration. I selected the duration column here and calculated its median and stored it into median duration. After that, I created a new column named duration type. So I selected the duration column and applied the lambda expression and categorized it will be a short video if the D is less than median duration, else it will be a long video. I did the same for the comments to separate below average comments and above average comments from each other. So from this I can easily identify from the new column comment level that which video is having below average comments and which video is having above average comments. So after that, I have created separate data sets using the query method, one for the short videos and other for the long videos. So then I selected the canvas size as width is 14 and 6 is the height of the canvas. So I have I decided to draw subplots, one for the short duration videos and other for the long duration videos. So let's see. So first of all, I have created a scatter plot in which I have kept the data as short videos, x-axis duration, y-axis comment count, hue is set to comment level, and the palette is that if the comments are below average, the marker will be red, otherwise it will be green. So this is the transparency 0.7, and the color of the edge color of the marker is black. So I've tried something new here. I have combined the scatter plot with the regression plot. So I have created the scatter plot differently and regression plot here differently, and I have kept scatter is equal to false here, and the color of the regression line is black, and the line width is 1.5, and line style is so hashed line will be drawn. As we can see here, we can see a hashed line. So the similar thing I have done for the long duration video. Plus I've set the legend and the title of the legend as comment level. We can see the title of legend as comment level, and also I have set the location to the upper right. So after that I did the same for the long duration videos, and after that I set the overall title, set the title layout so that the subplots do not overlap, then plt.show. So from these subplots we can easily get to many conclusions using these subplots, as they define very clearly what is the relation between the duration and number of comments. So we can see that the short videos have low comment counts. We can see clearly that the most of the short videos are, we can see the red markers are there, means short videos have less number of comments, but some very short videos have very high number of comments, we can see here.